Do you have a literature review to write and you're wondering how to structure a paragraph in your thematic analysis? This video is for you. In this video, I will provide a checklist to help you structure a paragraph in your thematic analysis, as well as an example of a paragraph in a thematic analysis. When you're writing a paragraph in your thematic analysis, the first thing you want to ensure that you have is a strong topic sentence. And this will guide your reader as to the paragraph's content. I typically advise my students to avoid citations in your topic sentence unless the assertion is debatable. The next thing is to include at least 2 sources in this paragraph. And this will ensure that you are comparing and contrasting ideas, which is the purpose of the thematic analysis. Then you're going to analyze rather than describe the articles or the sources that you've selected. And this will ensure that you're providing only the relevant information about these articles or sources that pertain to your themes as per your theme and your topic sentence. And then you're going to explicitly show how the articles and sources that you've selected relate to your theme and to your topic. Now, this is important because sometimes you might find sources that don't explicitly relate to your topic. To avoid your reader or your professor asking you, what does this have to do with your topic? You will have to say specifically how the source that you've selected relate to your topic. And the final thing is to ensure that you're using in-text citation rather than the names of articles in the thematic analysis. And I advise students to do this because it shows that your writing is much more professional, and it also keeps your writing more concise and lean. Now, I have an example here, and the research topic that we're looking at is nature-based play in kindergarten classes in Toronto. The research question is, how does the weather affect kindergarten educators' ability to engage children in nature-based play in Toronto? To be time efficient, I won't read the example verbatim, and I've provided some labels at the side of the paragraph to guide you. I do want to emphasize, though, that you have a strong topic sentence that really cements your paragraph. And following this, it's always good to show some of the scholarly support that align with your theme. Then you give an overall analysis of what these supports are saying. I always advise students to select 2 or 3 of the sources that they've used to justify their theme, to explain in more details how these sources relate to their theme, and then for them to end with a conclusion.